Now let's explore vitamin A, found in carrots, sweet potatoes, and spinach. This nutrient keeps your eyesight sharp, especially at night. It also supports a healthy immune system and helps your skin repair itself. Eat colorful veggies to get your daily dose.
Hi everyone. Let's talk about vitamin C, found in oranges, strawberries, and bell peppers. This powerful antioxidant strengthens your immune system, helps your body heal wounds faster, and keeps your skin glowing and healthy. Try to get some every single day.
Let's talk about vitamin E, a super antioxidant. You'll find it in almonds, sunflower seeds, and avocados. It protects your cells from damage, supports healthy skin, and strengthens your immune system. A handful of nuts a day helps keep you protected.
Let's talk about vitamin D, the sunshine vitamin. Your skin makes it when sunlight hits it, and it's also in fatty fish and egg yolks. Vitamin D helps your body absorb calcium, keeping bones strong, and supports a healthy immune system too.
Meet vitamin K. Found in leafy greens like kale and spinach, this nutrient helps your blood clot properly so cuts heal safely, and it supports strong, healthy bones. Add some leafy greens to your plate today for this often overlooked vitamin.